Chocolate is the one of the most loved fruit in the world. From children to adults, people enjoy chocolate in many forms. But have you ever wondered how chocolate is made inside a factory? Today we will take you inside a modern chocolate factory and show the complete process from cocoa beans to finished chocolate bar. The chocolate making process begins with cocoa beans. These beans are sourced from cocoa farms and delivered to the factory. At the factory, the beans are carefully inspected. Broken, damaged, or low quality beans are removed to ensure constant taste and quality. The selected cocoa beans are roasted at controlled temperatures. Roasting enhances the natural flavor of the cocoa beans depending on the type of chocolate being produced. This step play a major role in final taste. After roasting, the beans are cracked open. The outer shells are separated from the cocoa nibs. The nibs are the most important part as they contain cocoa solids and cocoa butter. The removed shells are often recycled or used. Cocoa nibs are the ground into the take first known as cocoa liqueur. Despite the name cocoa liqueur contain a no alcohol. The heat from the grinding melts the cocoa butter, creating a flour liquid. This is the foundation of the chocolate product. At this stage, sugar, milk, powder, and extra cocoa butter are added. The extract ingredient depend on whether dark milk or white chocolate is being made. Precise measurement are essential to maintain consistent flavor and texture. The chocolate mixer is fast to refining machines. This machine reduces the particular size, make the chocolate smooth. Refining ensures the chocolate melts evenly in the mouth and has a conching is one of the most important steps in the chocolate production. The chocolate is slowly mixed and aerated for several hours. This process removes bitterness and improves flavor. Longer conching results in higher quality stabilize the cocoa butter crystals in the chocolates. This gives chocolates its glossy shine and firm snap. Proper tempering also prevents with discoloration on the surface. The temperature chocolate is poured into molds. Preparation remove air bubbles and ensure smooth surface. The molds pass through cooling tunnels where the chocolate hardens evenly. Once cold, col- once cold, the chocolate is removed from the mold and packaged automatically. Each bar is warped, labeled, and packed for distribution. How chocolate is made inside a modern factory from cocoa beans to delicious chocolate bars. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.